Hey guys, so I finally got my Flip Mino HD in the mail today. Took about like a week and 2 days. Got it off of eBay. So pretty much this is what the outside box looks like. So I'm just gonna rip this off right here. I'm so excited for it. Been waiting. Okay, so pretty much I'll be using this for like my Vegas trip and my daily vlogs, I guess. So that instead of like carrying a travel diary every time I travel, I have a video diary. Okay, so let's get this open. Okay, let's do this. So let's see. Oh, yeah, so wrapped in this really big. Here it is. Wow, okay. So, here it is. It's still sealed. There you go. And then there's a price tag. Got it for $89. Fuck eBay, yay. Okay. It's so pretty. Wow, look at that. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at the case for this. Okay, let's open it. Wow, it's so pretty. Wow, it's beautiful. So, wow, it's so shiny. I don't even want my handprint on it, which I already did. But yeah, it's very handy and light. So here's what it looks like. Okay, I'll just put this here for now. Let's see what's inside the box. Getting started, blah blah blah. Okay. And warranty stuff. Ooh. Oh, it has a nice little pouch with it to go with it. So pretty much you can just put it in like that. Oh, that's pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Well, here's the cable that you can connect to your TV. So that's what it is, and that's pretty much it. That's cool. Okay, now let's play around with this. Oh, I didn't even want to touch it. I want to wear gloves. Okay, so there's your lens right there. And where is that flipping thingy? Oh, wait. Isn't that awesome? That's so cool. Wow, so it comes out right there. And then there's this little latch thingamajig. And it just pops up like that. Awesome. What else is there? So here's the on button. There's that little hole thingy for your tripod. There's that another hole for your TV. So let's see if this one works. Oh, yes it does. Oh, wow, it lights up. It's like a touch thing. Wow. Okay, okay, so that's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. So, yeah. That's awesome. You have 60 minutes of it, so that's 4 gigabytes. That's pretty cool. Let's test this. Recording. Awesome. That's cool. Very cool. Okay, now let's stop this. And then pretty much, I guess you press the playback, and then is what it looks like. Interesting. So I wonder how you can, oh, there's a volume up there. Oh, I don't want to play it again. Okay, and then you can delete it from like here. Then hold to unlock. Okay. I don't want to lock it. I don't know how you delete it, but yeah. That's pretty cool. Then the off button. I should charge this. But yeah. That's so cool. So it's like small enough to fit your hand. And it's very slick. So yeah. It's awesome. I should get a case for this. So yeah. Like a nicer case. So there you go. My Mino HD. I'm so excited. So yeah, your speakers are on the side right there too. This is freaking awesome. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.